There's no turning back.
Not anymore.
Hey beautiful. So in today's video, gonna bust a move for you guys. Ooh, ah, hey, turn up. Ooh, ah. Okay, so I'm going to comb out my hair. This is my hair. It is looking kind of bleh, kind of dull. So I saw this cap at Sally's and I thought, hey, let's do my hair. Let's do my highlights and let's do a video. They came with this, okay? And this is to like wrap your hair up after, but I was kind of like, what the hell when I was looking at it because I didn't know what the heck it was because I've never used a cap before. But you guys asked me that when I, I'm also confused, lighten my hair again and do like the highlights again to record it. So here you go. So this is the cap. Just want to make sure it fits my big old head. So just making sure. Okay. If you guys hear that noise, that's the kitty. So I'm going to comb my hair back. So what you're going to do, just comb your hair back. Take your time. Don't rush anything, especially when it comes to bleaching hair, all right? Then you're going to apply the cap to your head like this. So you're going to put it on. Make sure it's on there. Make sure it's snug, not loose or anything like that. I got it on there pretty good. I did not get the best angle because you can see all my tres leches and stuff, but that's okay. So what you do, you go in with this like, I'm like super happy because it came out really cool. Look at it. I was like all excited. So you go in with like this pick thingy and you just pull your hair through the little holes. You can make them as thick as you want, as thin as you want. It honestly is all up to you on how thick you want these highlights or how thin you want these highlights. This is very time consuming, and what I did, I pull out a couple and then I would brush. Pull out a couple and brush, and then I would try to put some up in a little chongo to like not get them mixed up, but this is really time consuming. If you can get some help because my arms were hurting, you guys. Halfway through I was like, I don't even want to do this anymore. Do I want my hair to look cute? No, I don't. But this was before we came to Texas, so I was like, I gotta look cute for my family. So I put on a good Netflix show and I just started poking the holes through. It took like a good, I want to say like an hour because it was a lot, okay? It was a lot. And if you pull out too much, it's okay. Just like try to go under the cap and pull it back through, I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I had to do because I pulled out a couple that were too thick, and so I just went under the cap and pulled the hair back, and then I did it again. But yeah, just keep pulling, and then make sure to brush, okay? Pull, and then brush. And this really helped. Like the brushing definitely helped, kept things clean, not so complicated or anything like that. Had my sidekick help me right here. Sidekick, I said side kid. My sidekick, she helped me. She pulled out a couple. She got tired. I was tired right here. My neck was hurting. But she definitely helped me out, okay? So now we're going to go in with Quick Blue. 1 scoop of Quick Blue and then 2 ounces of the 30 Developer. Put it together, mix it up, and then I just started applying. Don't apply it, don't rub it on the cap or anything like that because it can seep through and then you'll have bleach spots, okay? So don't do that. So I just went in and applied. I'm making all these faces because this stuff was strong. Bleach is always strong, but I don't know. Ever since I had Jade, my nose is super sensitive. So I just went in, applied it everywhere, make sure that I coated it really, really good, got it in there. Mixed it. I tried not to go all the way to the root because when you bleach your hair, it rises, it goes up. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So I don't apply it all the way to the root, just a little bit right there. And I just made sure that I got it all over. So I didn't want to do this process again because it was a lot of work. So now I'm just making sure that it's all coated. Okay? And now we're going to wait 20 minutes or until you get the desired lightness that you want. So I'm going to wrap it up with this thing that it came with. At the beginning I was like, what the hell is this? So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to wrap my Walmart bag because I always do this. If you don't use a Walmart bag, then what are you doing? Just kidding. But no, for real, it really helps me. So to each their own. So I just let it process. Then once that was done, I went in and rinsed it, and now I'm pulling off the cap, and this part was so cool.
My hair got stuck. Can you pull it out? This?
Mm-hmm.
There's no turning back.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. The red hair. Down you.
Alright, so this is how it looks. At first I was like, it didn't go light enough, but yeah, it got pretty light. So now we're going to go in with this shade right here. I love this shade. It's Honey, so I can't wait. So you add that, then you add 2 ounces of the developer, and you just apply it. I could have sectioned off my hair and did a better application, but I was so over it, you guys. I was exhausted. I was tired. We were packing. I was tired, okay? I was tired. So I just went in, applied it, then I would section it off, apply it on the other side, and I just got it done. Just make sure to get in there, boop, to the other side. And where I just did highlights, all I needed was 1 tube. So if you have longer hair than me, get two tubes. They usually have like a good deal, like buy one, buy the other one, like half off or something like that. But yeah, so I just applied it. I could have went lighter, but I liked this mixture that I had going on, okay? So I'm glad it came out the way it did, but yeah, just take your time doing this application with the bleaching and section your hair. Don't be lazy like me, okay? Don't do as I do, do as I say. So yeah, just apply it. And this did stink. It was like really, really strong. That's why I was like making these stink faces. So you just leave it in your hair, leave it 20 minutes, then I'm going to wash it off, and here's the final look.
Alrighty, love, so here is how my hair looks. Let me see. Can you guys see my hair? I just touched it up. Do you guys see like the honey in there? The color. You guys have asked me to show you guys, so there it is. Yeah, that's what I do. That's what I use. I want to do another color after this, and then I'll probably in the fall go back to like my maroon stage. But this is how this one looks. Hope you guys like it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. You see, it just gave me a nice honey glaze, honey look. Just highlighted it a little bit more, brought it back to life. So yeah, again, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.
And of course, it would happen to me.
YouTube is on right now.